What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is no other than KULR. As you all know, today's end of the year sell-off ends. With that being said, I do expect to see a turnaround for KULR in many other stocks, more so the quantum computing space and AI, to see a turnaround in January and start things off in 2025 pretty darn hot. In fact, with the new president taking office, I do expect for the stock market to do even better overall. I want to know your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Do you believe the Trump administration will be better for the stock market overall? I want to know your thoughts on that. But KULR, if we take a brief look and check out these last 3 days of trading, ladies and gentlemen, it has retraced over 26%. But not only KULR, but many other stocks in the same space. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this cool down, retracement, and or correction, some may call it, is something to not worry about. In fact, KULR was trading above that above that upper on the Bollinger Band, corrected under it, and basically what it seems as though is going to take place here for the beginning of January. We may find ourselves into a bottom consolidation state here, kicking things off, but I do feel as though that we're going to actually reach and breach those $6 levels here before the end of January with ease. If we just take a brief look and check out today's volume so far, only 48.3 million coming off of Monday's 41.17 million. So we have been seeing volume slow down here in KULR the closer we get towards the end of the year. So with that being said, if you're still holding the stock, you may want to consider to either average down at this point or just hold, because this retracement these last 3 days aren't anything to be concerned about at all. Far as catalysts for KULR, there are a few here in the month of January which can propel the stock to higher levels beyond my $6 price target. With that being said, a great earnings report for KULR can really set things in it really can change the direction of this thing in a long-term standpoint. Right now, I do feel as though that KULR is a nice short-term buy and hold. Okay, I'm talking about from 3 to 6 months type of thing. But anything over that, I do want to see a shift in the balance sheets and those earnings reports before I can call this thing a long-term hold. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, levels you do want to look out for here next week. It seems as though that bottom consolidation that I expect for us to come in here should last the longest heading into Tuesday next week. It's the longest I think that bottom consolidation will take place. Bouncing off that mid Bollinger Band around those levels should actually before the month of January is over with. But just to give you guys a better time span on that, before the second half, all right? So the first 2 weeks of January, I do feel as though that we're going to see a massive breakout here in KULR. So with that being said, guys, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have all post notifications set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.